Hello all, welcome to Histories and Mysteries. So this time we are going to dive into a story of the greatest avatar of Shiva. Okay, let's start with the name Kala Bhairava. So what does it mean? Kala means time, as everyone knows, and Bhairava itself has a deep meaning, where Bhai denotes a fear as well as a form of light, and Rava means echo, where the Ra sound denotes the elimination of negative energy and the Va sound creates opportunities. People mainly worship Kala Bhairava for courage and happiness in their life, and also definitely for good time, as he is known as the Lord of Time. Let's get on to what is the story behind this Shiva avatar. So, according to a legend, this form of Lord Shiva destroys fear. He protects his devotees from enemies like greed, anger, and lust. He is beyond time and death. So let's get into a tale in the Shiv Mahapurana, which talks about his origin. Once, when Lord Brahma told Lord Vishnu to worship him instead of any other god, as Brahma is the one who created the whole universe, this angered Lord Shiva, who took the form of Kala Bhairava to punish him. He chopped off one of Brahma's 5 heads. Thus, Brahma now has only 4 heads. The fifth is carried by Shiva. But by chopping off Brahma's head, Shiva became guilty of killing a Brahmin. For this reason, Bhairava had to carry the head around with him for 12 years until he was freed of the sin. The idol of Bhairava is often seen in this frightening form. He is usually depicted with angry eyes and a crown as well as a garland of human skulls. With a terrifying mane, Kala Bhairava's arms hold a drum, a trident, and Lord Brahma's severed 5th head. There is also another tale where Kala Bhairava was created by Shiva to destroy the demons during a war between Devas and Asuras, and later Ashtanga Bhairavas were created. The Ashta Bhairavas married the Ashta Matrikas who have a fearful form. 64 Bhairavas and 64 Yoginis were created from these Ashta Bhairavas and Ashta Matrikas. So, what are the benefits of worshipping Kala Bhairava and why is he the most popular avatar of Shiva? Kala Bhairava is revered by Hindus, Buddhists, and Jains. He helps them to achieve success, conquer enemies, and attain material comforts. He also helps them to use the time constructively in attaining their goals. Those who waste time in life can become more efficient and productive if they worship Kala Bhairava regularly. He makes our souls pure through his power and brings luck to believers. Kala Bhairava is sometimes called as the guardian of temple. Hence the keys to the temple of Shiva and Shakti are ceremonially given to Bhairava at the closing time and taken back from him in the morning. Usually there is a shrine dedicated especially to him in such temples. He is also the guardian deity of travelers. According to the Siddhas, before going on any journey, especially during night travel, one should light lamps and put a garland of cashew nut on Lord Bhairava. This ensures their safety and protection. Though he is one of the most feared gods, he is also one of the most rewarding and protective deities. Kala Bhairava's vehicle is a dog called Bhairava, which is usually seated on one side of the deity, eager to taste the blood dripping from the chopped head of Lord Brahma. Hence, one way to honor him is by taking care of and feeding the dogs. Kala Bhairava is known to bestow great blessings and the boon of auspicious time to those who worship him. Hope the people watching this will get the blessings of Kala Bhairava and finds oneself at the right place at the right time to avail the best opportunities.